Hi guys, it's Ree here, welcome back. Today I will try to master the contour field. I haven't really ever tried to accentuate my features, to understand and try different ways of contouring. This will be interesting for a lot of people, not only for beginners, but also for someone who does their makeup every day, but maybe just wasn't really interested in contour till this day. And since I'm one of those people, I wasn't really interested, but now I kind of want to try different types of contour. I have about 7 today. That's why I have only foundation and mascara on. The first way of contouring that I saw is such called 53 contouring. So I'll take my contour stick. I never really apply it on my face directly, but today is the different day. So we're doing the 3 like this. And then you take concealer and do 5, so then it's 53. Like this is it, so it's 53. That's why it's called like this. Let's try. Okay, for my contour I have my Maria F4 brush. I never really apply my contour straight to my face. I always use either a palette or take product on the brush and then to my face, but today is a different day. Supposedly this is just the basic contour way. It's not lifting or anything in particular. It's cute and it's basic. The contour is blended. Now let's blend the concealer. Do you think this will make any difference? And so 5 is like going upwards here. That's it. That's the 53 contour. How you like it? Is there something special about it? That's the way number 1. You might say everything you want and you can see what I mean and you can decide whether you like this way of contouring. Maybe this is not for me. The other way is lifting. They always do the lifting here. Then we do this right here. I'm not sure if this is too high, but that's how I've seen it. Here they like apply it if you need, and they do like a couple of dots there. A concealer, what's also gonna lift our face. So here, and even there. This should lift. I will start from here, then on my cheekbone, staying in place. I'm not dragging it downwards. I'm just tapping. Then I'm gonna do this side, and then my forehead. Is it lifting? How? Yeah, it's looking really different from this side, the classic side. We're gonna lift here. Kind of it's used to clean up. Do you like this side better? Because I kind of prefer this side. And yeah, it's like a little bit too high on the cheek, maybe. If it was a little bit lower, what if we try to blend this? I like this side better. This is too like highlighted there, but there's some, what is this? So I like this side better. What do you say? Lifting, 53. For the nose contour, right? Because now this has no shape at all. I'm gonna try the lifted nose contour. Do I ever contour my nose? No. Maybe I should. What I see, I will maybe insert a picture of what I'm doing. I'm applying this triangle, then I'm doing this thing, and then 2 straight lines. That's it for the contour. They also have placement of concealer. I will do this dot right here and then right here. I'm assuming you just dab it around what you did or what the lines that you created, but also you should blend this, right? For the concealer, just like this. Does it look any better? Is it lifted? I would say what works the best is if you blend this to your eyes and then reverse contouring so it's kind of lighter there. They don't show this here, so I will not do this because it's not in the scheme. But that's how it looks. Maybe as a nose contour is not that bad as what I can see. Maybe we should add blush so we understand better. No, that's the difference. You can be the judge judge of what you like, what the way of contouring. I will say still this side. Blank canvas again. The next variation, with videos I saw on TikTok showed that you should do like this. There's where you place your contour. Let's try this. I am taking the product on the brush. For precision, I'm doing like this from my ear to my temple, and that's where you should place your contouring. I don't know how this will really work. So that's triangle like that, but it's higher on a cheek. Maybe this will also give us some lifting. So they don't show anything more on this side like this is. Then they place the blush right here and here and the highlighter above it. Let's get to blending. Just staying in one place, trying to blend this. Do I see any visible difference or something that I can say about this? For my liking, this is too high on the cheek. That's like too much lifting. The other way of contour that I saw, and I thought that this is a little bit not too much, but like not realistic for some face shapes. For example, she sucks her cheeks, takes the lowest point, like what seconds, and then does the flick of the contour. I maybe don't have this. I suck my cheeks. This is my lowest point. You sure I should do this? Like maybe not. Maybe this spot. Okay, from here. And flick. And flick. So like this. Oh, wait, is it really makes a difference? I did not expect this. What the fuck? You see what I see, right? This. You see what I see? That's interesting. Maybe I should remember this way, because then my face like snatched. This is not doing me any justice. Let's do the blush so we can compare like this, right? Right? And then there's like whatever. I like this side a lot better. What's going on? Like there's nothing there which gives me like this snatched cheekbone. There's too high. That's not for my face shape. It's 100%. That's not doing anything. But this snatched, the blush is right here as I always do. So it's like this is my face shape. This is what I like. What is this? No. No. The nose shape that we're gonna do for this contour is doll nose. Do you know what this is? I don't know either, but let's try. So you take the contour and you, oh my god, you place it right here where you see the shadow. You place it there, right? Then you do this really skinny. Take it and do two lines, two really skinny lines close together like this. And then you kind of should draw a circle. Is this a circle? Kind of. Then let's take the concealer. They place it in the middle of the circle, in between the lines, and there. I don't know how we should blend this. That's looking interesting. Let's start from the bottom. From the darkest point. Is there anything you'd like? I can tell one thing straight. The two lines that were here really skinny, that really made my nose look skinnier. I would also do the reverse contouring. Not now because it's not on a scheme, but I would do this. And I think this does my nose a little bit more justice. The lines here defined where it starts. It also made this spot look skinnier. But this circle here like made my nose a little upwards. That's my nose, my side profile, just so you know. That's okay. I like this. Maybe I should do a lot more nose contouring. About the face contour, as I told you, I preferred this side much more. There was only one spot that we contoured, only on the cheek. There's nothing else, no contour, just here, and I prefer here. You see this? You see why I prefer this? Blank canvas. Again, we will do the cheekbone snatch and then the contour bronzer that suits your face shape. First of all, we are gonna do the rectangle contour shape to snatch your cheekbones. Basically drawing the rectangle. It's going like this, and then like this, and then like this. Then it looks like this. You see the rectangle? Yeah, so this should do snatch our cheekbone. So this line is blended upward, this line outward, this to the side, and this downward. Did anything happen? Maybe we need more. I will do more. I'm not greedy or something. Because there's nothing really happened. I don't know if this does anything to my face shape. Maybe there's slightest difference. I would not say there's something special about this method. So you do you. About the real contouring that will suit your face. So you should find your cheekbone. Mine is right there and it ends there. So I should do, you find this spot and you take it here. And you work it just here, around there. Nothing else, nothing more. Then you do this around your jaw if you need. If you don't need this, don't do this. And if you'd like, you can also do this on your forehead, a little bit of something. But the main point that we're focusing on is the cheekbone and just where your cheekbone is. You see this? That did much more than this thing. There was a lot more product. What happened? I don't know. Nothing. This side, this is snatched. I don't know why it happened to be like this side is like flop and this side is better. I don't know. It's just like this. I will do the same contour in the forehead, the same contour in the jaw, and you really see the difference. So we just use contour, which is cool toned. We can also use warm tone. You place a little higher to warm up your face. You can do this here if you want, but then this is what you look like. Your contour and your bronzer. Your face is warm but also shade. See this? I really like this. This side is much better. We can add blush as everything, but we are gonna do small nose contour. Let's see if it really makes it small. I'm taking the product on the brush. We take it to the socket but closer, like this. Then it's like half circle around the tip, and that's it. No more contour, but they use a lot of concealer right there. Concealer is here and it's like dot here and it's there. That's what no other contour had. Let's start from the tip. First of all the darker, then for the lighter, and around there. Did anything? Because I don't know. I don't see any difference. So the contour that nose contour that I liked the most was dull contour. Like this was great. Around this, you can see everything yourself. You can make your own decisions. What I will say is that I prefer this way of contouring over this way of contouring. This rectangle did nothing. This, on the other hand, did something. You can judge by yourself. No blush. Maybe we should add some blush. Let's do this so we can judge fairly. The same amount on the same spot. Now you can judge fully. The blush is placed the same. The only difference is the contour. Which side do you prefer? You saw everything you had to see. Now you can make your own decision of what way of contour you prefer and wanna get, wanna see, wanna use. We tried 6 different ways to contour your face, 3 different ways to contour your nose. You can also decide which one you like. I definitely like dull more. What about the face contouring? I prefer the dot flick and then this way of contouring that's going on right now, which is suitable to your face shape. I didn't really understand the rectangle 53 lifting. It was okay, but compared to 53, not compared to everything. This one, like, what was this? No. It's even worse than this. You can be the judge of everything you want. I have showed you what I wanted to show you, that it really makes a difference, and now I understand what I like and what I will do. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see from me next, and I see you soon. Bye!